You know what I love most about this community? You always share the most practical, real-world advice. Today's video comes straight from you, my viewers. These aren't your typical beans, bullets, and band-aids recommendations. These are the 12 overlooked essentials that seasoned preppers wish they'd stocked up on sooner. Stick around because number 9 might surprise you. It's something most people never think about until it's too late, and number 12 has saved more than one person's entire shoe collection during tough times. Let's dive right in. First up, powdered milk. Now I know what you're thinking, but I don't even drink milk. Here's the thing. This isn't just about having milk for your coffee. Powdered milk is pure calories and nutrition, especially crucial if you have children. Kids need those calories for growth and energy, and in a stressful situation, familiar tastes can provide huge psychological comfort. The key requirement here? Water. You'll need clean water to reconstitute it, so factor that into your water storage plans. Number 2 is something most prep lists completely ignore. Dental care beyond just toothbrushes. Oil of cloves and baking soda. Baking soda works as toothpaste and general cleaner, but here's the real lifesaver. Oil of cloves is nature's numbing agent for toothaches. Trust me, you do not want to deal with a severe toothache when professional dental care isn't available. One drop of clove oil can provide hours of relief. Plus, baking soda has dozens of cleaning uses. Item 3, cloth diapers. Even if you don't currently have babies, these are worth stocking. Disposable diapers will run out, but cloth diapers are reusable indefinitely if you can wash them. Remember, people raised healthy children for thousands of years before disposables existed. The trade-off? You need washing capability and extra water for cleaning. Speaking of washing, item 4 is laundry detergent. You might think, I'll just worry about clean clothes later, but here's reality. You'll need to wash those cloth diapers, you'll need to wash work clothes, and hygiene becomes critical for health when medical care is limited. Even if you're washing by hand in a bucket, you need soap to actually get things clean. Don't overlook this one, it's more important than you think. Item 5. Soap for washing your body. This ties into the hygiene theme, but it's separate from laundry detergent for good reason. Personal hygiene prevents infections, maintains morale, and if you're still interacting with the outside world, keeps you socially acceptable. Stock bar soap. It stores longer than liquid soap and doesn't require packaging that can break. Number 6 might seem mundane, kitchen trash bags, but think about it for a second. Garbage doesn't stop existing during emergencies. In fact, you might even generate more waste if you're using disposable plates to conserve water. Here's the genius part some folks have pointed out. Heavy-duty trash bags work perfectly as liners for emergency toilets. If your water's out and toilets aren't flushing, you'll need somewhere safe and sanitary to handle human waste. These bags, honestly, solve that problem. Item 7. Baby wipes. These aren't just for babies, honestly. When water is scarce or you need to conserve it for drinking and cooking, baby wipes let you clean your body, hands, and surfaces without using up precious water reserves. They're also perfect for quick cleanups and maintaining hygiene when a full shower just isn't possible. Oh, and definitely stock up on alcohol-free versions if you've got sensitive skin. Number 8 is obvious but essential, toilet paper. I'm including this because people I know, and including myself, have said they wish they'd stored more. It's bulky, sure, but honestly it's irreplaceable for comfort and hygiene. Pro tip: store it in waterproof containers or bags. Wet toilet paper is, well, useless toilet paper. And over-the-counter medications are important too. Pain relievers, anti-diarrheal, antihistamines, all that sort of stuff. Medical care might be limited or expensive, so basic medications become crucial. Number 10. Salt. Not just for seasoning, though that's important for morale, honestly. Salt is an electrolyte replacement if you're sweating heavily during summer work or stress. It's also a natural preservative for meat and other foods. Plus, it stores indefinitely and takes up minimal space. You'll want to get non-iodized salt for preservation uses and regular table salt for consumption. Item 11. Multivitamins. When your diet consists of stored foods and whatever you can grow or find, nutrition suffers, you know. Multivitamins fill the gaps and help keep your immune system functioning. This is especially important for children and elderly family members who might be more susceptible to nutritional deficiencies. Just remember to store them in cool, dry places and check expiration dates annually. Finally, number 12. shoe goo in the red tube. It's designed for shoe repair, but it's actually an incredibly strong, waterproof adhesive that works on almost everything. Shoes wearing out during tough times isn't just inconvenient, it can be dangerous. Good footwear protects you from injury and keeps you mobile. I have personally used shoe goo on my worn-out running shoe soles. It will work on work shoes and even kids' sneakers during extended difficult periods. But here's the bonus. It works on tarps, tents, water containers, and tool handles. Basically anything that needs a strong, flexible, waterproof seal. It does a great job of gluing things. So there you have it. 12 items that real preppers wish they prioritized earlier. Notice the common themes? Hygiene, health maintenance, and repair capabilities. These aren't glamorous items, but they address real problems people face during extended difficult situations. The key takeaway from all your comments was this: comfort and normalcy matter more than you think. Being able to stay clean, maintain health, and keep essential items functional makes enormous psychological and practical differences. What did I miss? Drop a comment below with your essential but overlooked prep items. And if any of these saved you during a tough situation, share that story. It helps everyone learn. Hit that like button if this was helpful, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I read every comment and your experiences help. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.